Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, anybody that has transferred hundreds of gigs of files, it's just time consuming and sucks. So you want the fastest device possible. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I started modding around with a Wii and a Wii U, and it really matters because you're transferring a lot of data through and over the SD card and micro SD card, you know. So, show you what I started off on and some other devices, and we'll go through a bunch and see which one's top dog. So, alright, how many of you seen this before? Just the cheapest thing ever. Break after a while. So that, then graduated to a, more iPhone looking version of that. It's the same thing. USB 2.0, very slow. Stick your little micro SD card down in there. That plugs in your PC, transfer files. This definitely wasn't doing it either. So then I thought, onboard. Sweet, I got one of those laying around, right? Let's see. Right there, USB 2.0. So that limits my speed, but I still used it for a little while. That was ridiculous. Looks stupid just hanging out the front of my PC. But, So, basically, 2.0 is just not your friend. It has to be 3.0. Or higher. They have newer versions of 3.0. So here's one called Warrky. It's got user guide, the warranty, lifetime, unconditional warranty. Makes me giggle. But with this, you get a nice braided cord. And it's not like that cheap braid either. It's actually really nice. This is actually nice. It feels really well made. It looks well made. Sleek. You got 1, 2, 3 USB 3.0 ports. So that turns 1 into 3 USB 3.0 ports. And then you have SD, micro SD, and SD. So, and on the front here, you also have MS, and up top is CF. So this is probably great, but I think the one I got is defective. It worked, it transferred files, but it just kept on giving me driver errors on Windows 10. So Windows 10 didn't like it, and I thought, it was probably just something on my own PC. And then I tried it on my laptop, same deal. So yeah, it's a hardware issue. So I didn't really get to give this much love. I tried to test it out. I did get a transfer speed. It wasn't good, guys. So not that one. And then found this little miracle. The Beikell VCR 740. I recommend these. These are cool. Look at that, came right out. Came right out the wrap. But anyways, look at this thing. It is so neat. And it's thick too. Everything's solid, nice. It's not cheap. You have to press it on there. It's gonna last a while, So let's try this out. And then, stick that in your PC. And You want to use micro. Boy, I did it again. There's your micro. I mean, and it's tiny too, right? I thought it was odd seeing this big old thing sticking out of the side of it, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. And the speeds are very good. Like, whatever the speed of your drive is, this thing's going to handle. I mean, it's a 3.0, so it doesn't go to speeds past that, but yeah, really nice. I give a solid A to Beikell. And then there's this, guys. Holy tamale. Me likey. It's a nice one. I actually haven't had this one open. I've seen them before. They are phenomenal, guys. So, this is actually my first unboxing of one of these. So, okay. I'm sure there's some English in there. But yeah, I think it's pronounced Yottamaster. I mean, come on. The name is great, right? Well, what do we got? Oh, yeah. Nice braided cable. Nice. Yeah, the speeds on this little puppy is just, yeah, you'll get everything out of your card with this. Ends. Well, check that out too, you know. I think that comes apart, you know. That's what the sticker was for. Brute force. But yeah, that's pretty cool right there. In itself, that comes in handy, you know. Love that. Great feature. Here it is, guys. Just gorgeous. Like, especially stationary. I mean, this is amazing stationary, you know. Plugged in, just chilling next to either your laptop or your PC, either one, really, if you don't have an SD reader on it. And you just need some more USB 3.0 slots. These are 3.2s, so they're a bit faster. And the compatibility is really good. It just picked up so fast. Snap. Was ready to roll as soon as I plugged it in. So, nice. So, the winner today is definitely the Yottamaster here. And it's a little pricier, too. These run roughly $20 to $25. The Beikell, I think just a little over $10, really super bargain. Right around $10 for that. And you know what? How much was that one? The Warrky, I believe, was $15. Put it back in the package where it belongs. So, Yottamaster wins the SD Showdown. And, you know, second, definitely this little Beikell here. And it's cheap, so good price, good quality, portability. This is quite the opposite. You kind of want to mount this, keep it where it's at, super fast, and it has USB 3.2 instead of 3.0. So, there you go, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.